So, when I try this kind of food, I feel so delicious.
Ito yung
good.
pagkain namin. It's a Chinese food. And then this is Nepali dumplings. Yeah. And then also this one, Nepali food, this one. Yan. Masarap yan sobra. Ang sarap. At itong dumplings na to na Nepali, sobrang sarap niya. As in, grabe. At saka mango shake. At saka may coconut milk. So, okay. So, let's eat!
So, I will ask
No.
No.
Okay. Bago yan. Malinis naman yung kamay ko. Kain mo na. Kain mo na.
So, what is your biggest regret in your life?
Biggest regret in my life.
Mm.
Biggest regret. Siguro ano?